haven't done in a very, very, very long time is go to a drift day. So this morning I'm heading to a mate's house that is doing his first ever track day in his BMW, and it actually worked out perfect because he's going to be doing the beginner side of the track and I am actually one of the instructors today, so it worked out perfect. I can hopefully maybe jump in with him for a bit, but also, you know, have the freedom to talk to him and sort of help out, because your first track day is definitely very, very daunting. The plan was I was actually going to take the Safiro, but I honestly changed my mind on that very quickly. I just could not be bothered. Just shows you how much love I have for that car. So I'm on my way to his house now. I'll show you his car and we will get to the track. My boy's first track day. How pumped are you right now?
Oh, fucking pretty.
Are you nervous?
Nah, I don't. I'm nervous for the car.
Did you do a nervous poo?
I should get one out of
So it's a super basic car, which is perfect. 323, so 6-cylinder, manual obviously. Just got coilovers, a seat, a harness, a hydro, a locker I'm pretty sure, which is absolutely perfect first drift car. Should be really, really reliable. Fire extinguisher, battery in the back, absolutely perfect. Leather, hole in the roof. This car should go really good today and I'm super pumped for it. Me and Alex in charge today. Got the walkie-talkie. Going for a quick lap.
Quick Scandinavian flick.
Go, 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 go. Jesus Christ. Go right up the top. Oh my God.
Imagine Brad going up there, tow truck.
Just start throwing random fucking witches hats like out the back. Yeah.
Cone? One cone, please.
One cone, please.
It's right here.
Yep. Chuck like 2 here. Yeah.
Doesn't have the power or the diff for it, yeah, because we put them further apart.
It's a bit of SSD.
Yeah. You sort of need a runner.
Let's start with track entry.
Imagine Alex pulled that. Good distance?
Yeah, it's alright.
Maybe a little bit wider?
It'll get harder because look, it's already drying out here because the water's running down.
It's going alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got an open diff though.
Yeah, I know. That we can like do what we want here.
Yes, I was just
Makes
saying
me
that's a
feel
brand.
like
At all points we will
Test 2.
once you have start line in position.
A plus?
You need to go green and start shooting.
Copy that.
Alright. I've never run a day like this before, so we're all nervous, but I'm just walking over. We've split it up into two. These ones are a bit closer together and these ones are further apart, figure eights. So the more advanced people are on this side, so I'm going to go on this side. Got my helmet if anyone ever wants me to jump in with them, and pretty much just let them rip. Go for it. Best car here by far. Alright mate, first time drifting, How do you feel?
Yeah, mate, ready to go.
So what we're doing is do like 5 or so laps, however you want to run it. If you want to do figure eights, you want to do it as one big circle and just pretty much go for it, and I'll try help you today. It's gotten wet again, which is good because it rained a little bit. This guy's just doing burnouts. Go, mate! Perfect. Come on, mate!
Lock it down again.
Watch it! Give it Alright, let me jump out here.
Thanks, Chris.
Spending half my day picking up all the cones. Ah, yeah. This is enough exercise for me today. You got good throttle control.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ride with the pro, said ride with the pro.
Riley's getting painted.
Yeah.
Your wall again. Hey, should we have this close to the wall? Can we do that wall again?
Yeah, why not? Full blew the bar off.
Yeah, but
boys. There is witches' hats absolutely everywhere. They're everywhere, all over there. A few off-track excursions. It's alright, go. This was actually a really cool opportunity. I really like doing this. And you feel really important when you go walkie-talkie. Walking around, everyone looks at you.
Josh, Robert thought Cam was going offline and they just touched. He said not big.
Oh, it's me! Alright, we are on our way home. Done and dusted. I am absolutely wrecked. But Brandon did really, really well. I was really surprised. The car needs some love. It was overheating. It kept misfiring. So, I don't know, gotta check out what the hell is going on with that car. And it should be a pretty reliable car to do track days in. But big congrats to Brandon. You finally got on the track and you did really well. So I'm super proud of you. See you guys next week.